Hello, my name is Erin Catoni, and today I'm going to go over my online portfolio. On the homepage, I have a picture of myself that I took when I was in London and some quick facts about me. You see I have different tabs at the top of the site. Each page has some information that gives you a good insight into who I am. Here's my About Me page, and just like I wrote, I have truly always wanted to become a teacher and have always loved going to school. My Resume tab gives you greater insight into all of my experiences that I have had. This is my philosophical statement on education. I give you a little excerpt here, but I encourage you to click and read my whole statement. My Instructional Technology tab gives you two drop-down boxes. Here are the screencasts I have made on different educational tools. And here are some Google quizzes that I have made. On the main Instructional Technology tab, you see all the applications I have used, and you can click on them to see more information. My Essential Learning Outcomes tab will bring you to a second website that shows my reflections on different learning outcomes here at Stockton University. My final tab is a mock lesson plan I made for instructional technology in the spring of 2019. The purpose of this lesson plan was to incorporate as many technology tools as I could. I recommend reading through to give you a better idea of the type of lessons I want to teach. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my portfolio.